Here we have a 2024 Land Cruiser 79 Series V8 fitted in steel grey camel sheepskin acrylic with full sheepskin bases, two-tone front and rear. We'll start with the front pair, so you have separate headrests. See steel grey on the sides of the seat with the camel insert. As mentioned, this is a combination number 2, which means it has full sheepskin around the side skirts of the bases, acrylic down the sides of the backrest, acrylic on the back of the backrest and back of the headrest. Now we move on to the rear. So rear has matching sheepskin acrylic combination with full sheepskin base skirt, two-tone again steel grey camel insert, separate headrests, access to the backrest tilt lever on the backrest, access to the tilt control on the base to tip the whole seat forward, like so.